Mega mega loud shoutout sa inyong lahat. Meron tayong flash report tungkol yan sa pagliban ng barangay and SK election. Tuloy ba? Ayan, lusot na sa pagbasa ng kamera ang panukala ng pagliban ng barangay at SK election ng isang taon. Ayan, sa 264 na naaprubahan sa minorya, tuloy pa rin ang paggawa ng balota para pamilya natin. 8.6 billion ang pondo niyan for barangay election at SK election. Ayan, may panayama kay George Erwin Garcia, release of adjustment. Ayan, ng local election. Atty Macalintal. Ayan, panukalang RA 11935 Act postponing is unconstitutional. Ayan, cancel for fixed mandate to constitution. Ayan, warrant for postponement. Clean and Comelec power and at Congress all over. Ayan, implementing RA 11935 such can be amended. Ayan, nakaupo ang ating kasalukuyan 2018 at 2022. Ayan, si Chef Justice Alexander Gimondo. Ayan, Solicitor General Menardo Guevara. Ayan, 91 million balot. Ayan, kailangan i-print during the election. Ayan, extend only. Nag-extend. Ayan, continue the registration for the participation. Ayan, ng barangay and election. Ayan, extend October 23. Pinirmahan ng ating President Bongbong Marcos. Ayan, October 23, 2023 will be held. Ayan, 3 years na. Ayan, panoorin po natin, guys.
All incumbent barangay and youth officials must serve until their successors are elected or they are sooner removed.
Although sinasabi nilang maaaring ma-postpone o ma-reset na naman ang barangay, hindi po namin yun kinukonsider sapagkat hanggang sa kasalukuyan, dapat may barangay election ngayong Disyembre.
If, however, the Congress will act on the proposal to postpone the elections, the Comelec will abide accordingly. Garcia added, the government can even save over 8 billion pesos.
At kung sakaling sasabihin po nila na hindi matutuloy, no, wala po kaming problema doon. And in fact po, napakalaki rin katipiran sa ating bansa na kung sakaling hindi matuloy ang halalan, 8.6 billion po ang nakalaan na budget para dyan sa barangay and SK election.
Meanwhile, Garcia denied the information that they have already used the budget allocated for the barangay and SK elections.
Wala pa po kaming kinukuha kahit 5 duling dyan po sa ating pong DBM patungkol sa paghahanda sa barangay election.
Dante Amento, UNTV News and
Good evening, William. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has signed into law the measure postponing the 2022 barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan elections to the last Monday of October 2023. A copy of the measure released to the public showed that President Marcos Jr. signed Republic Act 11935 on October 10. The new law states that all incumbent barangay and youth officials must serve until their successors are elected or they are sooner removed or suspended for cause. After October 2023, the next local elections or barangay elections will be held every 3 years. In a statement, Commission on Elections or Comelec Chairman George Erwin Garcia said they would comply with the law even as the poll body continues with the preparations for the polls. Garcia said the postponement would allow the poll body to continue the voter registration in order to ensure greater election participation of the citizenry. Meanwhile, William George Garcia, the poll body chief, said that they will release an announcement regarding the adjustment of the calendar of activities relating to the local polls.
The advisory of this honorable court said that the parties
Ayan po
shall
ang
limit
pila
their
ni
discussion
Atty
on the
Macalintal.
substantive issues relating to the issue of whether or not the Public Act RA 11935, otherwise known as the Act postponing the December 2022 barangay and SK elections, is unconstitutional. The first issue, Your Honor, is whether or not the power of Congress to fix the term of office includes the power to postpone the barangay elections and the SK elections. As pointed out, Your Honors, in my petition, the Constitution gives Congress the power to fix the term of office of the barangay officials, and that power stops there. This power does not include the power to postpone or cancel a scheduled barangay elections which Congress had previously fixed as mandated by the Constitution. This is so because the power to postpone election is within the exclusive jurisdiction of the Commission on Elections, or Comelec, after it has determined that serious causes provided for under Section 5 of the Omnibus Election Code warrant such postponement. Therefore, by enacting a law postponing a scheduled barangay elections, Congress is in effect exercising the provision of the Omnibus Election Code, or has overstepped the constitutional boundaries and has assumed the function of the Comelec. In a word, the passage of the questioned law is a clear encroachment of Comelec's power. These barangay officials could hold on to their positions, and they will be no longer the representatives of the people. They will become representatives of Congress forever. And how long? Hanggang kailan mananatili sila sa position? As long as Congress would want it. They can stay forever. And for that, these barangay officials could sing forever to the goodness of Congress.
Before the Supreme Court, the constitutionality of the passport, Senator Atty Marcos rejects the additional 10 billion peso funding for barangay SK elections next year.
Ayan guys, subaybayan natin kung matutuloy ba ang election this December 22.
Although sinasabi nilang maaaring ma-postpone.
Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Ayan po ang flash report ni Karob Trip. Ayan, subaybayan natin ang lahat ng ito. Ayan, stay tuned at di ka pa kayo nakasubscribe, subscribe na now. Ayan, mga susunod nating flash report. Thank you so much and see you again. Thank you.